Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will discuss about permissions granted. So you can see in this image, there is a green box and some resources is written in that box. So basically when we created a role, in the role we define the verbs like what permission you want to give to that role, like get permission, list, create, update or delete. So this is one thing. You also need to provide the resources like to whom you want to give that permission, like pods, deployment, services, replica set. So role grants access to resources. So this means the assigned user or service account can interact with the resources as per the permission set in the role. Suppose you have created a service account with the name of X, and then you have created a role, and in the role first you have to define the namespace. Suppose you have created a namespace with the name of development, and then you define verbs like what permission you want to define in the role, like read permission or delete permission or whatever the permission you want to give to that service account. After that, you need to define the resources like pods or deployment, service, replica set or whatever. Suppose you have given read permission to a specific resource, that is pod, and also you have defined deployment namespace. So when a service account will try to interact with the Kubernetes cluster via the API, so that service account would have only read access to the pod resource inside the development namespace. So I hope you got some idea how the RBAC works in Kubernetes API. One more thing, suppose the service account X, which is having the limited permission, will try to create a new pod in the development namespace, it won't allow. Suppose service account will try to see the pods in some different namespace, it won't allow. So that's the beauty of RBAC. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.